Hello guys, this is straight out of China and this behind me is my PC. Recently I have noticed that my GPU is running a bit toasty, around 90 degrees, pretty uncomfortable. So I decided to check out the situation. Diagnostics was pretty easy. When I turned on the PC, one of the fans on the GPU was not spinning. As I am not planning to upgrade my GPU anytime soon, I decided I'll just replace the fan. I found some fans on eBay and I decided I'll replace them by myself, and let's do it. First off, we need to remove graphics card. I removed the 6-pin power cables and unscrewed the one screw that holds it in place. Then we can remove fans just by undoing the 3 screws that hold the fan inside, but we actually need to route new cables under this plastic shroud, so we will have to remove this plastic shroud. And to remove this plastic shroud, we actually have to remove the whole heatsink, because these 2 screws that hold the plastic shroud are hidden behind the copper pipes. To remove whole heatsink, we just need to undo the 4 screws on the bottom around the GPU. Then we can pull the whole thing apart. Don't forget to unplug the fan connector. Now let's put the GPU aside and let's remove plastic shroud from the heatsink by removing 4 screws, 1 on each side. Here you can see heatsink. This is what cools your graphics card. Then I removed fans by undoing 3 screws on each fan. And then I put the new fans in and screwed them on. You must place new fans from the bottom, because you need to route cables behind the plastic shroud. We can see that the new fans are spinning very nicely. Then you must clean off old thermal paste of heatsink and GPU. Some say you must use isopropyl alcohol and cloth, but I just use some toilet paper and schnapps. Your GPU should look approximately like this. And then apply new thermal paste and you can put the whole thing back together. And don't forget to plug in the fan cable like I did. Then you just have to reinstall your graphics card back into your system and you can go back to work like I did. My graphics card runs pretty cool now, so we could say this repair was a success. And as always guys, have a great day.